What you talking about? You talking to the birdies? Yeah. Happy Easter, little guy. Next year the bunny will come. He doesn't come when you're a baby because he doesn't want to scare you. Is that cool? Okay. Deal. Besides, he's probably scared that you'll show him up. You're much cuter. And then we have this happening. No big deal. Just another day in the Molar Casa. Hi, baby boy. Mama's filming you. Want to say hi to the camera? You gun shy? You goofy. Okay, baby. Toodles. Wanna say goodbye? Oh, you waved. You're so smart. You're so smart, Bubba. It's probably gonna give someone a headache to watch this. Bye, baby. Mama loves you. There's my happy boy. Happy Easter. Bah, bah. My mom and sisters and brother will get that.